Okay. Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I'm Farah Walid, and I'm thrilled to present my final project in the Computer Networks course. Today, we'll delve into the emerging threats and robust AI solutions for securing IoT networks. Now, let's kick things off by looking at the table of contents. First of all, we have the abstract, introduction, a background information on IoT networks, the emerging threats, the robust AI solutions for IoT securities, the limitations of current approaches, recommendation for enhancing these IoT securities, the conclusions, and then we'll finish it off by the references. So, starting off with the abstract, the Internet of Things, or IoT, has revolutionized communication. However, it brings a spectrum of emerging threats. Today, we'll explore these challenges and the pivotal role of artificial intelligence in securing IoT networks. Now, on to the introduction. The significance of IoT networks in enabling seamless communication cannot be overstated. Today, as part of my final project, the review paper, we'll explore the intersection between emerging threats, AI solutions, and IoT network security. First of all, this is my first uh, topic, which is the background information on IoT networks, and it's divided into three sections. First of them being the IoT networks and their applications. Now, IoT networks are the backbone of connected devices. In healthcare, they enable remote patient monitoring or robotic surgery. In smart homes and cities, for example, IoT brings convenience and efficiency through devices like smart door locks, video doorbells, applications for smart parkings or waste management, so on and so forth. Next, we have the rapid expansion and the adoption of IoT devices. Now, the growth of IoT devices is staggering. By 2030, it is predicted that around 125 billion connected devices worldwide would be using the IoT systems or networks. This reflects a 12% annual growth rate, showcasing how integral IoT technologies have become in various different industries. Last point in the first topic is the vulnerabilities inherent in IoT systems. Now, with the rapid growth comes vulnerabilities. One of the most notable weaknesses is the lack of robust security rules. Social engineering attacks are also on the rise, emphasizing the need for continuous protection and monitoring of these systems. Moving on to the second topic, which is the emerging threats to IoT networks. The absence of robust security rules and increasing attack frequency paint the dynamic landscape of the IoT networks. Social engineering attacks pose a significant risk to the integrity of the IoT systems. Another example can be the device authentication, DDoS or DOS assaults, intrusion detection, malware detection, so on, are ranked as the top emerging IoT security risks that cannot be solved with the traditional methods since they are no longer as efficient as they were before. Now, since we've discussed the threats regarding the IoT networks, let's look at the robust AI solutions for IoT security. First of all, we have to learn the role of artificial intelligence in addressing such challenges. So AI plays a crucial role in addressing IoT security challenges, detection of risks and attacks using various AI technologies include decision trees, machine learning, support vector machines, neural networks, and the list goes on. Then also the deep learning models utilizing the CICID 2017 dataset shows how accurately the deep learning models are able to detect the DDoS attacks, which we've mentioned before have been one of the top concerns of the challenges or the problems that IoT networks basically face. Okay, moving on to the second part of this topic is the specific AI algorithms and techniques. So AI and the reinforcement learning emerge as powerful solutions. These are not only counter sophisticated attacks, but also address, pardon, they not only counter sophisticated attacks, but they also address challenges related to processing the capacity, the data enhancement, and the availability of the data in general. AI can also be used to identify and counter the sophisticated attacks, most common of them being the advanced persistent threats. This basically allows attackers, to remain undiscovered and leave no traces behind. Okay, this then leads us to our limitations. It's essential to acknowledge these limitations. So, first of them being the false positives and the dynamic nature of attacks pose challenges. Striking a balance between the accurate threat and detection and minimizing disruptions is a very delicate task, and it's very hard to find a good balance between them, because sometimes it might mean or it might lead to neglecting serious threats. Also, due to the very changing nature of the attacks, AI models should always have consistent updates in their protection systems, which is a process that requires very large amounts of power, computer power, and obviously repeated observations. So, moving on to our recommendation, this begs the question, how can we enhance IoT security, prioritizing the development of AI models, staying updated with evolving cyber risks, and fostering multidisciplinary cooperation are key recommendations. A holistic approach is crucial in adapting AI solutions in the intricate nature of IoT networks. We'll sum up with the conclusion. The artificial intelligence and the reinforcement learning emerge as formidable solutions to IoT security challenges. The role in identifying and countering advanced persistent threats is particularly noteworthy, offering a very resilient defense against the evolving cyber threats faced by these networks. Now, before I wrap up, I'd like to acknowledge the sources that I've contributed to this research, this paper, review paper of mine. Here is a comprehensive list for those interested in further reading. And thank you all for your time and attention today. I hope this journey through the IoT security and the artificial intelligence has been enlightening. I'm Farah Walid, and this presentation marks the accumulation of my work in the Computer Networks course. Any questions or discussions, I'm here to engage. Thank you so much for your time and have a good day.